What's up, my people? It's your girl Donna, and I'm here with another video. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you will be the first to know when I upload my next video. Let's dive right into it. Today I am going to show you how I do oven jerk pork. There you have it, guys. So this is 10 pounds of pork. I am going to clean it up. And now I'm going to show you the seasonings that I'm going to use on this pork. So I'm going to blend up some thyme. I'm going to use some salt. I'm not going to use the carrot or the bean. That is for some brown stew pork that I'm doing also. But I'm going to blend up these seasoning, which is lots of garlic, some pimento seed, that Jamaican jerk seasoning, some all-purpose Maggi, 2 onion, and some scallion. So there you have it. I'm cleaning up the pork. And cut it to the size that I want it. And then I'm going to wash it off with some cold water. There you go. Up next, I'm washing it off with some hot water. I'm not gonna let the water stay on it for long, the hot water, to take out all those good stuff. But I have to wash my meat with hot water to feel more safe. Now I'm going to blend the seasoning, which is the scallion, 1 bell pepper, 2 onion, some thyme, pimento, and all that stuff. Then I'm going to throw that on it and add a little browning to it, the Maggi all-purpose and the Jamaican jerk season, and I'm going to just rub this up. I rub it in for about 5 minutes to make sure all the meat gets seasoning, and then I'm going to cover it up and leave it for overnight. Okay, so now I am going to show you how I cook the oven jerk pork. Okay, so there you have it. So next I am going to put a big pot on the fire with a little tubes of oil, because you know pork is very oily, and I let it well hot. And I'm going to drop the pork in the pot one by one to get color. So upon doing that, I am going to cover it up and just let it turn. The fire is on high, and let it get color, and then I'm going to keep turning it to let everything get color. Then I turn the stove down, and then it starts spraying its own water. There you have it. So it's getting that color right now. And then I just turn it down, let it get it color, and I'm going to put it in the pan as soon as it get the color that I want, and put it in the oven on 450 degrees. And then I'm going to throw off the water and put it back in the oven, and then it's gonna look like this. That's how I do my oven jerk pork. Does it look like the real jerk pork that you grill in Jamaica? It's delicious, guys. That's my ackee and saltfish breakfast that I made this morning. So there you have it. That's how I do my oven jerk pork, home style. Tell me what you think below about this oven jerk pork. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.